Hello everyone, my name is Blessing and welcome to Adamazi TV. Today we'll be taking you down a trip to the western part of Nigeria and their cultural practices, specifically the Magun cultural practice of the Yoruba people and all you need to know about the Magun charm phenomenon. The Magun or Thunderbolt is a popular charm among the Yoruba people, commonly done to curb promiscuity. However, is this a myth or a fact? That we'll get to learn in this video. Some beliefs and traditions in Yoruba land have always been feared and revered. However, with the advent of more scientific explanations, things have changed, and here is all you need to know about the Magun practice. The juju is a spiritual belief very common in Nigeria and West Africa. In Yoruba land, there are many forms of juju that is done for various reasons, which range from the search for justice or retribution to more selfish reasons. The Magun is one of those charms. In Yoruba land, any form of adultery is seen as a taboo, and some are fond of taking precautions to curb promiscuity. However, are we sure that this charm is real, or there is a scientific explanation? In the Yoruba culture of western region of Nigeria, the strange tradition of Magun means do not climb. It is done to restrict either the man or woman from sexual promiscuity. Parents can also place Magun on their daughters to keep them from being promiscuous and punish anyone who rapes them. Or it could be done by in-laws, lovers, spouses to keep their husbands or wife from being unfaithful. The Magun is usually laid without consent or trickily. A broomstick or thread can be placed on a doorstep or walkway for the woman to cross over. Nevertheless, the result can be very deadly. A woman with this spell that is unfaithful can get ridden with strange illnesses, boils, smallpox, or increased sweating, and could eventually die. A man with a spell who cheats could end up crowing like a rooster, enlargement of the private parts, headache, convulsions, or somersaulting. However, the most common manifestation of this charm happens when a woman laid with a spell commits adultery. The penis of the lover becomes stuck in the vagina with severe pains until the husband comes to cancel the spell. Here is the scientific explanation of the Magun practice. The Magun phenomenon is apparently not unique to Nigeria. There have been cases in other countries such as Kenya and in Zimbabwe. The phenomenon is called runyoka. There have been some scientific explanations that try to explain this phenomenon. The first is penis captivus, a rare occurrence in heterosexual intercourse when the muscles in the vagina clamp down on the penis much more firmly than usual, or due to an engorged penis, making it impossible for the penis to withdraw from the vagina. Another is vaginismus, which occurs when a woman has sexual intercourse with guilt. This might cause the physiology of the woman to be altered, so the vagina tightens around the penis in a series of spasms. Whichever the case, there is still some mystery surrounding Magun, because how else can you explain the need for the husband to cancel the charm? Thank you very much for watching. That will be all for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, drop us a like and a comment in our comment section. And if you're not yet a subscriber, do well to click on the subscription button so you can stay updated to all of our content here in Adamazi TV.